Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a dress for my sister. It's her birthday next week.
What kind of dress would you like? Something casual or elegant?
Elegant, but not too formal. She likes light colors and soft fabrics.
I see. This one could be perfect. It's made of cotton and a bit of linen. It's very comfortable and looks elegant too.
Oh, that's nice. What colors do you have?
We have it in beige, white, and light pink. And today we have a special offer. If you buy a dress, you get a small leather bag for free.
Oh, really? That's a great deal. Is it real leather?
Yes, it's genuine leather, very soft and stylish.
Perfect. I'll take the light pink dress.
Here you are. This is a light pink dress.
Oh, this is a perfect gift for my sister.
Maybe also some earrings?
Sure, we have gold and silver ones. Gold goes very well with light pink.
Great, I'll take the gold earrings too.
Excellent choice. Would you like me to pack it as a gift?
Yes, please. How much is everything?
The total is $250. The bag is free with the dress. Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye,
You too. Come again soon.